as a kid, one of my favorite characters of He-Man was Cringer. Now, Cringer, you couldn't buy Cringer. Like, so, I remember the first episode when Cringer became Battle Cat, and they were trying to trap this monster inside of this mountain or whatever. And, uh, Prince Adam would do the whole, by the power of Grayskull, I have the power. And then magically, Cringer became Battle Cat, and Prince Adam became He-Man. Well, you you couldn't get a Cringer. See, like, you could take the armor off of Battle Cat, but then you just have basically a Battle Cat without the armor. It didn't really look like Cringer to me. So as a child, when my dad took me to the Cincinnati Zoo and he bought me this tiger, and he still even has the little loose tooth right here. Oh, there's no need to whine about it, Cringer. Anyways, that was my Cringer. I added him to my collection.